Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you what inside my own made 100 watt Bluetooth speaker. Friend, there is my own made 100 watt Bluetooth speaker. There is Bluetooth speaker. Now let's open it and I will show you what inside my 100 watt amplifier. Friend, screws has been opened. Now let's open this Bluetooth speaker. Friend, there is Bluetooth speaker. I am using 250 watt speaker. Each speaker consists of 50 watt. There is two speaker. I am using two speaker to operate this speaker and their amplifier kit. To operate this all circuit, I am using 12 volt battery. There is 12 volt battery. Friend, there is amplifier kit. There is amplifier kit. I am using this amplifier kit to operate this all these parts. Friend, to charge this battery, I am using 12 volt charger and 12 volt charger fixed in back side of this wooden box. And there is 12 volt charger. There is 12 volt charger to charge this battery. Friend, if you want to make this amplifier making process in description, I also available this video in my channel. You can check the description. Making process also available in my channel. So friend, that's the video of my Friend, that's all about my 100-watt amplifier. I hope you will enjoy this video and learn something useful from me.